Hello everybody, it's SHAZIZZ. This is just a little short addendum from yesterday's Solved 2 video. I'm going to go ahead and call this one Solved 3. Basically what I got going on here is a very simple method to dump your AC capacitor that you seen in the video yesterday using a fluorescent bulb starter, which you can buy at Walmart. They come in these little silver kind of canisters, and you pull that off and that's what it looks like inside. And so what's going on here is this fluorescent bulb starter is connected, one on each side of that, straight to one on each side of the capacitor, and it's a real simple hookup. And if you wanted to use this to dump that energy into something else, you just run that in series with one of your legs to whatever it is you want to dump that capacitor in. And so with that said, everything is just like you seen yesterday in yesterday's video. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's called Solve 2. Go see Solve 1, Solve 2, and this is going to be Solve 3. So basically this video is a short addendum to show how to dump that capacitor using something as simple as an off-the-shelf fluorescent bulb starter. So I'm going to turn this on, and that's the same 9-volt battery from yesterday. So you'll see a wireless AC over here, you'll see a wireless transfer of energy there, you'll see a fluorescent that one there's a neon bulb energized by that coil there, and charging an AC capacitor and a DC capacitor, all using this motor controller, that bridge rectifier, and this little coil setup, and so on, just like in the video yesterday. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on and get my adjustment. Just really got to barely just turn it up until you get this light and that light going. Once you get this light and that light going, which now they're going, you'll notice I got voltage over there, and I'll turn the light off so you can see the capacitor actually discharging through that right there, and you can see my DC voltage on the opposite side. So hold on a second, I'll turn the light off and let you watch this for a minute. And if I can find my flashlight, we can keep an eye on the voltmeter as well. But you can see that discharging itself when it gets up there, and there's the voltage from both. You turn that down just a hair, keeps reaching up to the high side. There we go, that should be close enough. But you can see my volt ranges, I hope. And you should be able to see that discharge. Turn that up just a hair back the other direction. Yeah, yesterday's video actually had a little bit of issue with that voltmeter. Thought I'd burn it up, but essentially they're made pretty good inside there. Surprisingly enough, it just shorted across the deal, and they had a loose wire, so I fixed that. But there you go, you see the voltages on those things. Then you can see the automatic discharge of it using the fluorescent bulb starter. So basically it's a self-dumping capacitor now with that little deal. Turn the light back on. Anyway, keep in mind, like I said, it's just a 9-volt battery doing all that. So with that said, you can see the voltage on the DC side, you can see the voltage on the AC side, and this little gizmo right here, it kind of helps to smooth out the voltage on coming out the other side there. So imagine this on a scale with larger capacitor banks on both sides. So I can discharge this one right here. I can actually discharge that one. And there you go. Rebounds pretty quickly. Alright, like I said, that's just a little short addendum. Hope this helps you out to self-discharge your capacitors. And if you ran that in series with whatever you wanted to charge up, that should be the key right there, because that voltage is enough to energize that argon inside there. And the argon inside there heats up a little element that makes a contact, and then it discharges, dumps the capacitor for you. So there you go. Peace and love, everybody. I hope this helps. Take care. Yeah, it's me again. One last thing. I had noticed that I had that on the 200 volt range, and I kept hitting the high side, so I put it over at 750. So I want to show you this one last time real quick, and let me discharge the DC side. Bring that down to 0. Alright, now I'm going to bring it up to where I got this light down here on, which is not in the picture apparently. Let me back it up a little bit. Okay, so now it's up. Let me bring it up just a little bit here. Alright, so let me go turn the light off a second. I'm going to fall over here. Okay, hopefully you can see all that without me bumping everything around. Let me try to get back over here again. Sorry about that. Okay, so I turned the deal down a little bit. Let me turn it back up. You can see my voltage going higher. Alright, once you find the smooth spot in there, I don't know if you can see that DC side over there, AC side, I can actually raise it up a little bit, but once you get out of range, you'll lose your wireless over there for some reason. Okay, bring her back down. Yeah, right there. Alright, so there you go. Just wanted to add that in there. That's why I kept jumping up on the high side over there, because I had it on the 200 volt range, and if you get it tuned just right, it'll shoot up there over 200 volts. Yeah, it went right over 200. Okay, right there is about perfect. So I got 57 volts on that side. Discharge that capacitor. Discharge that capacitor. And you see how fast it rebounds. Alright, that's it. Peace and love, everybody. Take care.